welcome back to my channel. Today it's me, Kamariasmom, and today we are going to make some slime. So all you're going to be needing is hot water. I'm using this kind of bottle of glue, so you some borax, so this is heavy. Some really hot water. I have to wait till I'm on. Here's something to mix with. That's all you're going to need. I'm going to be using this little mixing bowl. This is how you put the mess. Becky, I'm at Chuck E. Cheese. Well, this is going to work. I don't know about hot water. Do not touch it. Very hot. Hot makes it better. To mix with, I'm using this little thing because this is very, very easy to mix with, but
what is this? You wait till your mom comes in here and helps you. Oh, thanks for doing the dishes. Bye, Maria.
bye.
Bye, Nevaeh.
Bye, Uncle
Bye.
Frank.
Bye, Tiffany. Bye.
I'm not starting, just telling. So just again,
Have fun.
this is what doing these. All these.
Yeah, we're gonna
Even the
party
borax.
with
So hit that
I don't
like
even know how much
subscribe to my channel. I don't have any. A teaspoon of borax.
I have it on my phone. Hold on.
We don't need it. Can I do it? I know what measurements are.
Make sure you're doing it right.
So, my mommy's coming. She's gonna watch me. I'm gonna go ahead and start, Mom. So first, you're gonna
Maria?
be pouring.
Hold on, or I'm gonna take it away.
Hold on, 1 second. So,
You don't want none of that?
first thing is good.
Next time,
My mommy's watching us.
sister's gonna help, or I'll take it away too.
So my sister's gonna be helping. She's gonna pour in my glue.
Listen to the screenshots so you can have it.
We get to both pour it in together. So Bae, are you gonna hold it while I mix it? Okay, she's gonna hold it while I mix it. So first, you're gonna be pouring your Elmo's glue. What? Can you hold the bottle first?
I said, hold on. Is it a whole bottle of glue?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pour glue in.
Hold on to it. Ah! See this glue? It's like pouring in. I have to mix it bad.
How many ounces is that? 4. Okay.
So you have to get 4
And then
ounces.
you take the glue bottle and fill it up 1.5 times.
Well, I already got the water already set up.
Oh. So you have to put 1.5 of warm water and half of regular water? Half? Hold on.
Oh! All the 4 ounces of glue. Here's my aunt.
All that in there. And then you put 1.5 bottles of warm water. And then I need the half a cup of water to dissolve the borax. How much borax? 1 teaspoon. Hi, Becky. Come up here and put water in it.
First, we gotta put the borax in here too.
Hold on, Becky. How much water? Mix with the borax. Half a cup. Let me look.
We will be right back.
Half cup water.
We're back. And I'm using still.
That's hot.
I'm gonna mix this up after we add the regular water.
Hold on, we gotta fill it up with water, okay? Will you
We're
hold it for
gonna
me?
add hot water with the borax.
You've got to mix it really, really good before we try adding the other stuff. That glue and water has to be mixed.
I already got the borax.
Hold on.
The water.
That's how much borax is in there?
I didn't even put borax.
Oh,
So we're gonna
I
put
got it.
a teaspoon of borax into your mixture. My aunt is gonna help me because I'm just not a fan.
Ready for this in the glue? Yes.
Yeah.
Bea, pour this. All right, pour that, Bea.
So my sister,
Hold on, we need another half. Okay.
there, I'm gonna mix it very, very well.
Let's start really good.
You're gonna stir it until it all. See how smooth it turned out. Very cool because it's gonna be kind of get messy. Slime actually is gonna dissolve really cool. This is my. Now I have 9 slime. So now you're gonna add
Okay.
another teaspoon of water.
One half, I think.
Okay, you gotta stir, 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 stir.
All right, just stand
This
here.
time we're gonna make it pink. I love pink. So we're using pink because we do not have food coloring. That's enough.
Stir, 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 stir. You gotta get it really good.
Really good.
Make sure you get the bottom.
I'm scrubbing the bottom. So my aunt right here is helping me. She's putting the black. Yeah, that's enough. Stop. So this is actually going to work. I know this is It just looks like milk right now. Like milk. It looks like milk because the glue. Does it really smell like milk? Because it actually smells like glue. Glue. Yeah. Can you hold this for me? Hold it.
Some chips.
Good girl.
I have chips.
It smells really, really good.
I have
Really,
Cheetos.
really, really good.
Cheddar.
So when it looks like milk, you gotta stop. So it'll take a while. We'll show you when it's done.
Here, let me.
It's done. Now.
That's not. Hold on. You gotta get it done or it comes out real watery, remember? Just stop your video for a little bit.
So we'll be right back when
Wipe that.
when we're gonna add the borax in the water.
Somebody, because if we don't measure it, it's not going to even turn out
We're
like it's supposed to.
we're back and Becky's still stirring it. Now she's gonna add some of the borax water in the pan.
Okay, you want to pour?
No, I mix.
Well, let me mix first. You pour in slowly while I mix. Hurry.
No, you have to put it over here so the camera.
Oh, sorry.
You have a video, Becky.
Start pouring in.
Okay.
Ooh, I gotta mix. Stir fast. Stir.
Very good.
Keep stirring.
Well, let's just get it going, and you can stir when it's done. Okay?
So this thing is now getting a little bit really sticky and stuff. So my aunt is gonna stir. See how that's turning out? It's very cool. Turning out very, very well. And we will see you when the slime is done. Actually, we're not because
I see that. More slime.
more slime all over me. Okay, so
Yes.
Slime's
4 bottles of
Child
glue.
has. Child has more slime than anybody I know.
I know, we're going to start a slime store.
yeah, we're gonna have a slime factory. So now
That's it.
Yeah.
let me
Just
do
gotta
it.
sit and
Let
do
me
it
do it.
together
Let
and
me do it. Let me do it.
work it. Hey, work it.
So I'm working it. Look
Yeah.
at the slime. It's like very
When it's done, let Sissy have some of its food.
playlist. So this little pink slime, it's for me and Bea. We're gonna show you the blue slimes too, but this little thingy is like the best slime ever. So Bea just wants to play with the mixing tool. I worked very hard on making slime, so we're gonna have a slime store if anybody wants to come. It's for $10.
$10 for slime?
Yeah,
You're robbing people, girl.
No kidding.
I'm trying to
I
make
think you
people
just
have
made slime for like $3. I guess that's how they make money, though.
Yeah,
We'll sell it
wait,
for $7.
it's sticky.
What are you looking for? Oh.
Actually, we're not gonna have a slime store. Actually, the slimes that we don't like, we're gonna sell. Some
Give
that
her a
we-
little bit of it to work, to play with.
So we're both playing with the slime.
Woo, look at Bea's slime.
Actually, our slime, you mean? our slime. So we're gonna have to work this out and get up closer and look. See how this is. You see some white in it? Because I see like some of it.
Can I have the glue thingy, Bea? Give me the glue bottle.
It's
Bottle.
the blue bottle, not glue thingy. So.
Look at that, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, this little thingy is not sticky. Worry about sticky. And it is very warm. As you can see, it's very warm.
Put a lot of freaking ants in that thing.
Mouse!
SpaghettiOs.
Yeah, they're gonna eat them at some point. They're not just gonna waste them.
This is what Nevaeh worked it out pretty good. So, yeah, work it out. You gonna work it out? Mine right now.
Girls are gonna eat these.
You do it like
We
very
even
slow,
sprayed shit around the house, everything.
But you've gotta have some
just like mine.
something to like them somewhere.
Everybody's dog been dropping. Have you not seen Facebook posts? Everybody's asking how to get rid of them.
Can you do this?
Like everybody's given up.
Then it gets all better. So you make sure you not do it. Don't put it together.
Alright, watch your phone battery. Don't kill it.
Mommy! I'm watching it.
Hi.
Hi. So I hope you had fun. And hit that like button and subscribe to our
I
channel.
couldn't get your shoe on because you're splintered and where it hurts. We'll put them in here. We'll play for.
I hope you guys had a fun time.
Oh my god.
So we'll see you next time. Bye.